Hi, my name is Jean-Marc Leroux. I am the CEO of Iris, and today I'd like to show you how SmartShape can be used in augmented reality maintenance scenarios. Here, as you can see, we have the same digital twin on both the web browser on the left and on my Motorola G7 on the right. What's important here is that thanks to SmartShape, I have the same twin with the same information, with the same app, both in my office and in mobile scenarios. Now, I'm going to activate what we call behaviors. Behaviors are programs that are embedded in a SmartShape to make it behave and render differently according to the information of the digital twin. Here, for example, parts that are marked as broken will be shown in red. Now I'm activating the augmented reality mode. Using this rendering mode, I can easily overlay the digital twin on top of the actual object. As you can see, the tracking is really reliable. I can move my phone around, and even if I lose sight of the object, tracking still works. Using augmented reality, I can easily pinpoint which part has an issue. Here in red, for example, this part of the chassis has been notified as broken. And I can easily see it on the SmartShape because it's red. Using augmented reality, I can easily localize this broken part on the actual object. And when I've done repair, I can mark it as working. When I validate, the digital twin is immediately updated, and the program embedded inside the SmartShape updates its color. Augmented reality can also be used to visualize objects when there is nothing. Here, for example, we can actually see the chassis like if it was in front of us, even if it's not actually there. It can be used like an hologram, so I can easily navigate, walk around, select parts, and have information about them. It's easier for anyone to manipulate this 3D model because you can just walk around. You can easily interact with the digital twin like if it was there in front of you.